Hey, it's Cooking with Bob. We're going to throw down some pierogies, some kielbasa, and some onions. 5-10 minutes, you're going to have a delicious meal. If you grew up near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, you know all about this meal. Stick around. Let's get cooking. Ooh, that's a strong, that's a strong onion. I don't usually get that watery eye thing, but I am today. Hey, if you know a trick about this, put in the comments, because it's getting me tonight. We have some skinless Polish kielbasa. Slice them kind of on an angle, like that. I think they taste better. We're just using these box pierogies. They're delicious. Pretty good stuff. Kind of boil them a little bit, and then we'll saute them after that. Medium-high heat. Put them in the water. Make sure they're nice and soft before you brown them up. And I'm just going to transfer these over to a plate and dump this water out. So just using a little avocado oil, something a little different I don't usually use. It's my son's favorite oil, so let's give her a shot. Let that get hot and we'll put them pierogies in there. You know I love this lemon pepper. Don't get crazy with it. A little dusting of that, and that should probably be pretty good. Let's put them in the pan. Want to get them in there so they're all pretty much touching the bottom. You don't have to cook it exactly the way the guy on YouTube's telling you. Just cook it the way you like them. If you like a little crunch on your pierogi, make them a little crunchy. If you just like them soft, just cook them until they're reheated from frozen. It's personal preference. Let me know in these comments below how you like to make your pierogies. And I'm going to pull these off because they're going to cook a little longer in the final step. Put a little bit more of this avocado oil in here. Let's go ahead and get this kielbasa. Here again, you can cook this to your liking. It's hot enough to brown, but not so hot that things are going to burn up. I think that kielbasa is about done. Let's get one more look-see here. We like them a little bit browned with this dish. I think we ought to go ahead and get these onions on there. Saute them. There again, we don't like them to be super soft. That looks really good. I like the way that's looking. We're just going to set these in here. Tablespoon of butter just in some little packs. Use it to season the dish with. I'll tell you what, for an easy meal, this is the way to go. Bust yourself a piece off of there. Stab a couple of these goodies and get yourself a big old bite. So as always, if you like my videos, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, and click that notification button. Let me know in the comments how you like to make your meal with pierogies and kielbasa and onion. Do you like it a little brown, a little soft? Let me know. I love to try out new things.